Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby pig, so let's get started. To draw this cute piglet, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve. So we're just kind of drawing this ovalish shape. So right here in the center, I'm going to draw this big curve, and then I'm going to bring it down and round it off. And then at the bottom, I'm going to connect it with a slight wobble in the center. So as I bring it in towards the center, I'm going to wobble it up a little bit and then come down and connect. So that's a basic shape you want to draw. And then let's come back in here. I'm just going to add a little circle right here for the nostril and another one right here. And then right underneath here where we did this little wobble, I'm going to add a small curve right underneath. There. Okay, so then let's come to the side. About in this area, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So about right here, close to the snout area, go ahead and draw a circle. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And then I'm just going to come in here and draw another circle right here on the edge for a highlight, and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Okay, so now we have the eyes in. Let's come to the side. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. Aww. Okay, so then from there, let's start to frame the face. So I'm going to say where the eye is. The top of this eye, I'm going to come out about right here. Nice and wide. Same thing on the other side. I'm just going to give myself, say about this much point. And then I'm just going to basically draw a big curve around the face. Right there, and then I'm just going to bring it around and connect at the bottom. So if it's easier for you to draw this face shape first and then put in the eyes and the nose, definitely do that too. All depends what's easier for you. There. Got this nice big round shape around, and then I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more, just a little bit more on both sides. And then I'm going to start to draw the ears. So as I draw this, I'm still remembering that I'm drawing this kind of oval shape for the head. So come right here, pop in these big pig ears. About right there, round off the tip, give a little curve, and then come right back. And I'm going to, like I said, just remember you're still drawing this big curve. I'm going to end about right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue. So continuing my curve and towards the center, my highest point, and then I'm going to start to come down to the other side. So right here for the other side. And then once again, draw these big pig ears. And about right here, round off the tip and bring it right back in. There. Okay, so then I'll come in here and just following this curve still, and then draw the inside. So I'm just basically following the outside shape. And same thing here. There. Okay, so I have that in now. We can finally draw. Oh, you know what? Let's add Just gonna add maybe 2 hairs right here. Make it extra cute. There. Okay, so then now to draw the body. Very simplified body. So I'm gonna come say about right here. Kind of like pretty high up in the center area, about here. Give myself a point, and underneath this eye, about right here. And I'm gonna start to draw a curve and a curve. So I'm gonna bring this down. And I don't want to make it too big because I want it extra cute, right? So about right here, I'll just bring it in. Sloping down, and so we're pretty much at the same level now. I'll go ahead and bring this down again a little bit more. So I'm just going to go back and forth to build the body. Okay, so now that we have that shape in, let's come back right here. So in this area right here underneath, I'm going to add a curve right here, and then about in this area I'm going to add the front leg and come out and here. So it's basically kind of underneath this eye, and I'll add a hoof, so come in, kind of like a widened out W. So then I'm going to continue this curve and over. So then let's work on this side too. So about right here and here. And go ahead and draw the hoof. And let's add a curve right here. Now to draw the back legs, let's bring this down. And so about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then slant in. And we just want to end about the same level. So about right here. And once again, hoof, connect. And just connect this part, whatever space you have left. So we have the back leg, and then we're going to draw another one about right here. So just come in a little bit. And once again, wobble and curve. Now that we have the body in, let's finally draw the little tail. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw this curve. And you know what? Well, you know what? I'll just make it a line. Not so complicated. So it'll just be a line. There. And last but not least, of course, I'm going to add a heart right here. So it's my Jaw So Cute baby pig. So they're all done. I really hope you love this baby pig and that I've inspired you to draw it too, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you did love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.